Number 3 is WEEDO Tina2 3D printer. In today's fast world, where creativity knows no bounds, the WEEDO Tina2 3D printer emerges as the ultimate catalyst for unleashing your imagination at home. Dive into the mesmerizing realm of 3D printing with a twist of excitement and simplicity, tailored especially for home goods aficionados. Crafted for both kids and beginners, the WEEDO Tina2 is your ticket to a captivating journey of creation. Its petite frame houses grand capabilities, a fully assembled, plug-and-play marvel that lets you dive in immediately. Are you tired of the leveling hassle? Rejoice, for auto bed leveling is here. Bid farewell to tedious bed adjustments. Let the proximity sensor weave its magic as it orchestrates a flawless 3-point alignment dance on the 10 by 10 by 10 centimeters build plate, setting the stage for your masterpiece. The magnetic build plate adds a touch of enchantment, allowing prints to detach gracefully with a slight bend. It's a dance of convenience that eschews the need for scrapers, ensuring your masking tape retains its charm for longer. So if you want to purchase the 3D printer, check out the link in the description box below.